Hello dear students, welcome to chemistry classes. This is Shivanand Mattapati, Tunga Degree College, Jamkhandi. In this class, we are going to discuss one of the chapter from Organic Chemistry of BSc 3rd Sem, that is alcohols. And this chapter containing the sub-contents as introduction part and nomenclature of dihydric and trihydric alcohols, preparation of glycol from ethene, oxidative cleavage of ethylene glycol with lead tetraacetate and periodic acid, pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement, preparation of glycerol from propene and synthesis uses of nitroglycerin, composition and uses of dynamite and cordite, and the last topic is distinction between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols by Lucas reagent test. Okay. Dear students, we all are familiar with the term alcohol. Okay. And what is the actual definition for alcohol? Alcohols are nothing but the organic compounds containing hydroxyl group, that is OH group, attached to the aliphatic carbon atom. Alcohols are nothing but the organic compounds containing hydroxyl group, that is OH group, attached to the aliphatic carbon atom. Aliphatic carbon atom is nothing but the carbon atom present in an aliphatic compound. Okay. And we can write the general formula for alcohols as ROH, and here OH is the hydroxyl group and R may be any alkyl group, for example methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, etc. Okay. The general formula for alcohol is ROH. Here OH is the functional group, that is alcoholic group, hydroxyl group, and R may be any alkyl group, CS3, C2H5, C3H7 like. Okay. And we can write some examples for the alcohols by using this general formula, and here in place of R I am taking a methyl group, that is a CH3OH. This is what? Methanol. Okay. Then CH3, CH2OH. This is what? Ethanol. These are the examples for alcohols. CH3, CH3, CH2OH. This is what? 2-methyl propanol or 2-methyl propane 1-ol. Correct? These are all some of the examples for alcohols. Okay. Then coming to the classification of alcohols, these alcohols are broadly classified into two categories. The one is depending on the type of carbon to which the OH group is attached, that is the type of carbon to which the hydroxyl group is attached. And in this part, the alcohols are classified as a primary alcohols, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. Okay. Then the second one category is depending on the number of OH groups present in a given compound. Depending on the number of OH groups present in a given compound. And in this category, alcohols are classified as monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols and polyhydric alcohols. Dear students, alcohols are mainly classified into two categories. The first one is depending on the type of carbon to which the OH group is attached, and the second one is depending on the number of OH groups present in a given compound. As a primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, and monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols and polyhydric alcohols. Okay. Then what do you mean by primary alcohols? These primary alcohols can be represented as a 1 degree alcohols also. Then coming to the definition of primary alcohols, these are the alcohols where the OH group, that is the hydroxyl group, is attached to a primary carbon atom. The alcohols in which the OH group is attached to a primary carbon atom, those alcohols are called as what? Primary alcohols. Okay. Then what do you mean by primary carbon atom, secondary carbon atom, tertiary carbon atom? Primary carbon atoms are those which are attached to only one other carbon atom. Here I will write this carbon atom is a primary and this one also as a primary carbon atom. These two carbon atoms are primary carbon atoms because this carbon atom is attached to only one other carbon atom. Okay? Primary carbon atoms are those which are attached to only one other carbon atom. Take another example, CH3, CH2, CH3. Here this is also primary carbon atom, this is also primary carbon atom. These two are the primary carbon atoms. Because this carbon is attached to only one other carbon atom and this one is also attached to only one other carbon atom. Therefore, these two are the primary carbon atoms. Then what do you mean by secondary carbon atoms? Secondary carbon atoms. By definition, secondary carbon atom is a carbon atom which is attached to two other carbon atoms. Here this one is a secondary carbon atom. This middle carbon is a secondary. This we can represent by a 2 degree. This is a secondary because this carbon atom is attached to two other carbon atoms. Okay. Then by definition, what is a tertiary carbon atom? Tertiary carbon atom is the one which is attached to 3 more carbon atoms. Tertiary carbon atom is the one which is attached to 3 more carbon atoms. Here I will write this one carbon as a tertiary carbon atom because this carbon atom is attached to 3 other carbon atoms. Okay. Take for example CH3, CH2C, CH3, OCH3, CH, C, CH3, CH3, CH3. Correct? See here. This one is primary carbon atom. Why? Because it is connecting to only one carbon atom, and this one is a secondary because it is connecting to two other carbon atoms, and this one is a tertiary because it is connecting to 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms, and this one is a primary because it is connecting to only one carbon. This one is a secondary because it is connecting to two other carbon atoms, and this one is primary, this one is primary, this one is primary because all these three are connecting to only one carbon atom, and this one is a quaternary carbon atom. Quaternary carbon atom. Quaternary carbon atoms are those which are attached to 4 more carbon atoms. Okay. And what about this carbon? This is CH3. This is considered as what? Methyl group. Methyl group. Why? Because it is not connecting to any other carbon atoms. Here oxygen is connecting in between these two carbon atoms. Therefore, we can consider this one as a simply methyl group. Okay. Yes. Then now coming to the definition of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Primary alcohols are the alcohols where the OH group is attached to a primary carbon atom. I will take CH3, CH2 as an example for a primary alcohol. Here this OH group, that is the hydroxyl group, is attaching to a primary carbon atom, and it is nothing but a ethanol. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, OH, and this is also an example for a primary alcohol because this OH group is attaching to a primary carbon. This carbon is connecting to only one carbon atom, and its name is 2-methyl propane 1 all. Okay, and here one exceptional case is there. One exceptional case is there. It is with CH3OH. Even though this carbon is not connecting to any other carbon atoms, this methanol is also considered as a primary alcohol. This is one exceptional case. Even though this carbon atom is not connecting to any other carbon atoms, and we know that this is not a primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary, even though we can consider this one as an primary alcohol. This is an exceptional case. Okay. Then coming to the definition of secondary alcohols, these can be represented as a 2-degree alcohols also. These are the alcohols where the OH group is attached to a secondary carbon atom. See here, CH3OH. This one is an secondary alcohol because this OH group is attached to a carbon which is already connecting to 2 more carbon atoms, and its name is 2-propanol. 2-propanol, CH3, CH2, CH3OH. This is a 2-butanol. Okay, these are some examples for secondary alcohols. Then coming to tertiary alcohols, these can be represented as a 3-degree alcohols. These are the alcohols where the OH group is attached to a tertiary carbon atom. For example, CH3, CH3OH. And here the OH group is attached to a carbon which is already attached to a 3 more carbon atoms. Okay, and its name is 2-methyl propane 2-all. And I will take another example, CH3, COH, CH2, CH3, CH3, and its name is 2-methyl butane 2-all. And here also this OH group is attaching to a tertiary carbon. See, this carbon is attaching to 3 more carbon atoms. Okay, this is all about the classification of alcohols depending on the type of carbon to which the OH group is attached as a primary alcohol, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. Okay. Then the second one type of classification is depending on the number of OH groups present in a given compound or a given molecule, and the first one type is monohydric alcohols. These are the alcohols containing only one OH group. These are the alcohols containing only one OH group. For example, CH3OH. This is methanol. This one is considered as what? Monohydric. Mono represents what? Single, and hydric means it represents the OH group, hydroxyl group. Okay, I will take another example, CH3, CH2OH. Ethanol, CH3, CHOH, CH3. 2-propanol. Okay, these are all some examples for the monohydric alcohols. Then the second one is dihydric alcohols. The alcohols which are containing 2 OH groups are considered as what? Dihydric. As the name itself it indicates, di means what? 2 OH groups. And here I will take a CH2OH. This one as an example for the dihydric alcohols, and its name is ethane 1,2 diol. In general, we can call this one as an glycol, correct? Then CH2OH, and its name is propane 1,2 diol. CH3, CH, CH, CH3. and its name is butane 2,3 diol. Correct? These are all some of the examples for dihydric alcohols because these are containing 2 OH groups. Okay. Then the third one is trihydric alcohols. Itself it is indicating tri means what? 3. Alcohols which are containing 3 OH groups are considered as what? Trihydric alcohols. And here I will write this one as an example for the trihydric alcohols, and its name is propane 1,2,3 triol, and in general it can be represented or it can be called as a glycerol. This is an trihydric alcohol because it is containing 3 OH groups, CH3, CH, CH, CH2, OH, OH and OH. Correct? And the name for this one is butane 1,2,3 triol. Okay. This is also an example for trihydric alcohol because it is containing 3 OH groups. Then the last one is polyhydric alcohols, and here I will take a CH2, CH, CH, CH2. This one as an example for the polyhydric alcohols. As the definition, it should contain more than 3 OH groups, and here our molecule is containing 4 OH groups. Therefore, it is also an example for the polyhydric alcohol, and its name is butane 1,2,3,4 tetrol. And another example I am taking here is CH2, CH, 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 CH2, and here all the carbon atoms are having 1 OH group, and therefore it is also considered as a polyhydric alcohol because it is containing 6 OH group, and its name is hexane 1,2,3,4,5,6 hexol, and its common name is sorbitol. In common, this molecule is considered as a or called as a sorbitol. Okay, dear students, this is all about the classification of alcohols depending on the type of carbon to which the OH group is attached and depending on the number of OH groups present in a given molecule. Okay, thank you.